Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on past continuous tense. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is B. Was watching. I was watching TV when she arrived.
Question 2.
The correct answer is B. Where? They were eating food.
Question 3.
The correct answer is option C. Watching. She wasn't watching the movie.
Question 4.
The correct answer is option A. Weren't. We weren't sleeping when the police came.
Question 5.
The correct answer is option C. Teaching. Who was teaching you English?
Question 6.
The correct answer is option C. Where? Tina and Alina were playing badminton at 7 p.m. yesterday.
Question 7.
The correct answer is option A. We were celebrating a festival.
Question 8.
The correct answer is B. Last night. What were you doing at 9 p.m. last night?
Question 9.
The correct answer is option C. Doing. What were you doing this time last year?
Question 10.
The correct answer is option A. Was. Why was he saying that type of words? What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.